We have some crazy information about a possible Solana airdrop. Yes, Solana, the main token. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop, and as we see here, this is the picture which we're gonna be talking about. And it does seem like the Solana on-chain holiday season is coming in 3 days for a week. But before we go and talk about that, just want to let you know the Hyperliquid Season 2 could actually be something bigger than the Hyperliquid Season 1. So make sure to go and join. The link will be down below. You will get a 4 or 5% discount on fees if you sign up with my link down below. And as we see here, I am farming it. So what I'm doing right now is full-on trading. Now this is a little bit of a trading platform, yes, but you also have the vaults to go and deposit your stablecoin. So as we see here, the vaults are primarily the safest option. We got a beautiful APR of 20%, and this is on USDC. So this is, as we see here, I deposited $13 to go and test it out. We got an all-time earning of 2 cents. But this is for stablecoins, so you do not have to put tokens that you invest on. This is if you have stablecoins. On the other hand, as we see over here from my portfolio, I am trading. I am not the best trader. I'm in a profit and loss of $150, but we are accumulating volume. I'm doing 100,000 in volume. We got a max drawdown, total equity. As we see over here, we do have our option open and our trade option open over on Link for a nice rebound over here that it is kind of looking juicy, and my closing position is $26 over here, and I will leave this open. So this is a trading platform. It consists a lot in also the volume. Of course, do not follow me, do not follow my trades. I'm no financial advisor whatsoever. But here, by trading over on perpetuals, you also have, by the way, if you go over here, you have the spot option, as we see, with many different tokens, so you do not have to risk it with the perpetual liquidity. We then also have the possibility for the vaults, and as we see for the portfolio over here, just I'm into creating a lot of volume and depositing, and then with that you do get your points, and we are gonna get it on Friday for the first season 2 positioning. So make sure to go and do it if you want to. The season 1 was absolutely great. Make sure to go and join for the season 2, which is a no-brainer. They're gonna be 33% was released for the first airdrop. They're going to be having a 38% for the second airdrop. So something absolutely incredible. I will leave you the link down below, but another video will come very, very soon on how to actually do all this. But for now, make sure you go and refer. I got one person referring. This is a trading airdrop. So the more you trade, if you're good, or, you know, if you do it on Drift, if you do it on Camino, wherever you do it, I would do it on Hyperliquid over here, as it is the best platform and also the one with the best rewards going forward. Another project that I am invested on, as you see over here, I got about 11K over on the protocol, is the Quinto airdrop. Now, Quinto, as we see here, I did earn already 4 Quinto in total. I got 3 Ethereum over on the depositing. And what I do here is simply deposit the asset. I will leave you the link down below as well. Make sure to go and join. There's only 15 million tokens, and that means that the price will really go up. It has a lot of exposure. It is getting a lot of attention, Quinto. We do have the portfolio, as we do see over here, and this is a very easy airdrop, because if you do have any funds that you are investing long-term, for example, Ethereum over here, I simply deposit it here. It's no stacking, it's no liquidity, it's no putting it anywhere. It's simply to deposit over here on the wallet that you have, and simply keeping it there. There's nothing else you gotta do. And you can deposit Solana, you can deposit Tether, stablecoin, also Link, which right now it's really going up. I was thinking of also depositing the Link, and you could do it over on Arbitrum and Ethereum. You simply click over here, click on deposit, select external wallet, credit card, whichever you want, and then you are good to go. So these are the two bigger airdrop that I am focusing on right now. Over here, I got my stable Ethereum that I do take it for a long-term position. So I simply deposit it here, but as you see, you have many different options. So make sure to go and participate. Another thing that you can do is 2 airdrops in one. You can go and put the Ethereum over on Ethena, grab the USD Ethena token, and come over here and put it, as we see over here, as a stable coin for 1.2x as well as 20 bit sats over here. So could be different options if you are doing any other things, or simply Ethereum, whatever you want. It is completely up to you, but the link will be down below. And talking about this airdrop over on Solana. So we got something juicy. This is the tweet from Solana itself. And as we see over here, let's go and discuss this tweet from one of the people that I do follow the most over on the Solana ecosystem, juicy.sol. So we have here that On Solana, on the 26th of November, the official Solana account posted about the holiday season. Bonk, Software Wallet, Drift, Sanctum, and other projects supported it with similar tweets. Then we got the Software gift at the Breakpoint event, which, you know, the team distributed $100,000 worth of token to those who scanned the QR code, and the token included Drift, Cloud, Zex, Bonk, Popcat, and other meme coins, which is absolutely phenomenal for what they've done if you were at the event. And they are going to participate over on layer 3. So I will leave you the layer 3 link down below. And as we see here, over on Solana, over on layer 3, we have this situation. So you have different possibilities. You got Solana, Jupiter ecosystem, you got the Magic Eden, and you got all the protocol. And as you see here, very little people are doing this. So it is definitely something good. And let's talk about, for example, the Solana ecosystem, Jupiter airdrop over here. I will leave you also one of the main quests is to swap on Jupiter, as you see here, and it has to be done within 60 minutes of you starting this mission. So I will leave you the link for swapping over on Jupiter down below, which you will be finding. The best way to do this one, it is to swap mobile or DEX, simply Solana to USDC and then back and forth. And as we see here, you get it, then you can claim the rewards over here to claim the XP as well as the L3 cubes, but all the other quests as well. This is the first one, the Jupiter, the easiest one. Then you got the Magic Eden, which is the introduction. You got following agent, add Magic Eden wallet, transact with the Magic Eden wallet, as you see over here. So simply open on X. You can simply skip this or simply go and follow them over on Twitter, which let's go and do. We can continue in 7 seconds. Then you can add, you have to add a Magic Eden wallet. And as you see here, transact with the Magic Eden wallet. All these quests are absolutely easy to go and do. You simply can do over here. You can, sign the transactions, connect it, continue, connect the wallet, the Magic Eden wallet, so you can go and download it. All of these are very easy to go and do. They're all step-by-step guides on how to do it. Solana ecosystem over on Jito, introduction to Jito. Follow them as well if you want over here, or simply skip this. Take Solana to Jito. Stake at least 0.05 Solana to the Jito network, which, it is absolutely easy. There's no trading. This simply deposit Solana ecosystem. Once again over here, over on Sol Layer, restack on Sol Layer savings. We then have the Solana ecosystem super team, follow super team, create super team in your profile, set up to the ecosystem call, and they are extremely easy to go and do. So when it comes to this protocol, it is, I don't know, this airdrop seems absolutely incredible to go and do. As you can see here, it is easy. It is this easy to go and do. You then claim the reward. There's nothing to have done that have been done super complicated in terms of what you have to do. There's only 3,000 participants, for example, for the Orca one, which yes, it is a trading situation, trade via Orca, as we see over here, trade any amount. But once again, any amount over on Orca, it is as simple as it sounds. Simply connect the Phantom wallet, which we do now. Simply go and trade 0.01 Solana to, let's say, Pyth USD. Okay, trade this, earn the trading, confirm it. The trading is done, and then simply swap it back. So swap it back to Solana, get your Solana back, complete this one, execute the trade, verify, and you're good to go. So even with like $2, you can then add liquidity to earn any PYE's pool on Orca. So simply go back to Orca. Then let's say we can add the liquidity over here to the pool for basically free. Solana USDC, fine. We can go over here and you can provide any liquidity that you want. So you can deposit right here, and then you will be able to go and also withdraw the balance that you want. But if we have it over here, 0.01, which it is this one, you then have to have, of course, the USDC return to it. So simply do the swaps and then come back here and put it into USDC equally, and you're good to go. And as you see here, they are extremely easy and extremely cheap to go and do. And not many people are doing it. For example, also Marinade, you can stake Solana over on Marinade, which then you can unstake strictly after doing this quest. And not many people are doing it. We have, for example, come in over here, sign up to forums, open, extremely easy. So make sure to go and do it. I will leave the link down below. You can follow them as well. Supply USDC to earn year, which I do believe I already do. Too old. Okay, so it has to be, as we see here, 60 minutes. But this airdrop seems absolutely incredibly easy. I will leave the Jupiter link to go and start your swapping over on Jupiter down below. It looks absolutely easy. So simply earn the XP, get some L3 tokens as you see that you need to go and grab the rewards. But other than that, it is that easy, and it's incredibly how it's going to be potentially Solana dedicated airdrop, or an airdrop dedicated to all of these projects. But it is going to be huge. So with that said, guys, make sure you do it. Link is down below. Make sure to do all the transactions possible. Operate on this one. And with that said, I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.